from Fixin with Zoe Lyn, and welcome to my new series called Super Cool Cars with Zoe Lyn. Today we have here Thomas's 1969 cool Buick Skylark GS 400. This car is super rare and super cool to see because they only made a 112 Stage 1 GS. Thomas told me that he bought this a long time ago. He said that the coolest thing about the car is that it makes him happy. What a great answer. Thomas told me that he loves to drive his car whenever he can. He also said that he loves to drive fast and do burnouts and torture test it whenever there are no cops around. This is Thomas's end of the rainbow dream car. He will not sell it for any amount of money. He will not trade it for anything. And he will never change anything on it. I love that. It makes me happy. I love this car. I love the body on it, and it's so perfect and flawless. I love the brown color. I never thought I would love a brown car. But Thomas's perfect GS made me change my mind. Most cool cars have black interior, but this cool car had white interior, and it was so clean. Good job for keeping it so clean, Thomas. The interior and the bench seat looked so comfortable and so cool that it made me just want to go on a cruise in it. But sadly, there wasn't enough time. I had a great time at the car show and talking to Thomas. Just take a minute to admire the beautiful images of his car. It's a great car to model by. Now let's check out the engine. Under the hood of this super cool car is a 400 cubic inch engine. This car is 100% stock except for a really big cam. I love that. I wanted to thank Thomas for letting me film his 1969 Skylark GS. You've been watching Cool Cars with Zoe Lyn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you next car. Bye!